That hubcap on all the way?
I won't do it again.
Can you start the engine, please?
Hold on.
Back up to make sure it doesn't fall off.
Hold on, I'm not done.
Let's see how much time is left on the clock. 4:55. Wow. What? Excuse me, sir. Sir, what do you have to say after this victory? You did it in less than 10 minutes.
I'm not used to doing this much work this fast, but it brought memories back when I changed tires 20, 30 years ago.
Can we get? How about your sponsors?
Thank you to my sponsor, Coca-Cola. I was driven by its generosity, which paid me quite a large sum of money.
Are you surprised you did it in under 10 minutes?
I am. I'm very surprised. I thought it would take me longer. But my experience of way back when paid off. I have changed tires, not recently, but way back 20, 30 years ago, I changed quite a few.
Well, what part do you think went quicker than you thought it would?
Well, I'll tell you what didn't go quicker. Lifting the car up on the jack, getting the tire high enough to be mounted off, because I have a not exactly what you call it state-of-the-art jack, one of those Neanderthal jacks, and it took me quite a while. Else I probably, as you know, would have done it much faster.
You said when you were done you would never do it again. Why?
It's not worth it. It took a lot of energy. It's taken a lot of energy out of me. I'm not used to doing this much work this fast, and I feel like out of breath, and I'll probably be tired in the afternoon. It's NFL Sunday, and I feel like taking a nap already.
Is there anything else you'd like to say to anybody, family, friends?
No, just thank you very much for viewing into this YouTube. Just let you guys know, the old fogies out there, you know, you still got it. Next time, make sure you... The other guys will probably only give you 10 minutes. He was very generous in giving me 15.
Well, what were you planning on doing with the Coke if you had not finished in 15 minutes?
Well, I would have saved it for probably when the wings came in during the game.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.